Hello, Makoy and best friend. Congratulations. Finally, dintang na yung aldong piyakapani na yung tamo. And I'm very much happy na you have exchanged vows, not just in front of man, but also in front of God. And that you two ended up together. Bala mo kapilan pa mo ne, anyang, ko balo nung grade 5 or grade 6 tamo, may katanggap yung mong love letter ka no i-Barbie from one admirer na eta naman malayan na a few years down the road maging ikayo pala. Yan yung college tamo na maging ikayo, it was like finally maging ikayo. And syempre ngayon din na may kasal na kayo. Salamat king pong Gino na binless na yung relationship you, and that you two ended up with each other. Pasensya na kayo, ala ko ken to celebrate with you, pero buri ko mong tandanan nyo na ang gampang ala ko ken the friendship remains, di ba? Ang gampang malawot ang malawot, ang gampang pilang aldo o pilang bulan alang damdaman na balita kung metong at metong the friendship remains. And maniwala ko na ali naman talaga ing presence keng wedding day ing peka importante or ing basihan naning friendship nung itang presence naning kaluguran mo during the times na talagang masusubok ing kaya kayong married life at ing kaya kayong lugod king bawat metong. And as what I've always promised, at ko mo lagi, okay, ako man makakawol o makayapis, bear in mind na in heart and in my thoughts panay kayo nga pangadi ko na sana maging healthy and meaningful ing married life you, at na ingapong Gino ing maging sentro na ning kaya kayong biye, na sana i-bless na ing bawat aldo na miyabe kayo, at sana kayo sasawa king metong at metong. Definitely every day ating kayong discover king bawat metong na not necessarily masanting, okay, not necessarily pleasing king kaya kayong sariling preference, but then again we must always remind ourselves kung bakit tamo piniling magpakasal king metong nga tao ngayon, kung bakit iyang pinili tamo, at kung bakit pinili tamo pa rin magdaton kening makanining estado. Sabi na ni nga pong Gino, alayang penga akong masaguling biye, yung penga ako na panayang atsu, just like the married life. It's not 100% easy and manageable, pero with prayers, with faith, and the support of loved ones, and at the same time, trust, loyalty, respect, and understanding, I'm sure alampasan nyo nung nanumaning challenges na datang kaya kayo. Hopefully, keng tutuking video message para king first birthday na nening maging paunakan or inaynak. Ako kanita. Enjoy your night, and again, God bless you. Congratulations. I love you both. And always, God bless.